This is how I go from flat looking brows to fluffy laminated looking eyebrows. I love this Benefit Brow Setter Gel. It's flat on one side and then there's combs on each side so you can comb your hairs in whatever direction you need to. For the front hairs, I will comb them upwards. And as I get towards the tail, they lay a little flatter. And once the gel has set and dried, I go in with Lime Crime's Bushy Brow Pen. It took me a few tries to get this right, so if it's hard for you, don't get discouraged. You just use the tip of it and go with a light touch. I have the colors Dirty Blonde and Baby Brown. Don't worry if you go too high like I did there, you can just use concealer to fix it later. Now I'll go in with the Baby Brown and add more depth in the tail. Then I'll go in with my foundation, Gorgio Armani Luminous Silk, and I take a flat round brush just to kind of clean up around it. Then I'll go in with Benefit Brow. This comes with a little brush at the top, which is super nice. And then just fill in any areas that are missing some depth. And I'll do the other brow. I'll come in with the Baby Brown. I'll take this brow pomade and then back at it again with the foundation just to clean up around the brows. And voila! That is how I do my fluffy laminated brows. Bye!